Welcome to Simple Watch Talks. Today we'll be covering this user manual of the Casio GW-M5610U. Of course, there are a lot of settings and functionalities in this watch, so this video will be timestamped to allow you to jump into whatever feature you'd like to change. We start with mapping the button. So this is button A, B, C, and D. The first thing you want to do when you receive this watch is to change the home time. And to do that, you need to long press the A button. You'll see hold blinking, and then there you go. HT is blinking. This means home time can be set. To set the home time, you'll need to use the B and the D button. So the B button allows you to go west and the D button allows you to go east. Once that's set, let's press the A button once more. And here, this screen allows you to change daily saving time or the summer time to auto, on or off. Personally, I put it in auto because this watch is radio controlled and it's gonna do it automatically for me. But in case you are in a zone where there is no radio control, you need to manually do it. So you can use D button to do that. Mode again, here we can change the seconds, hours, and minutes. And also mode, we can change the year, month, and day. Mode or C button. And here we can change 12-hour 24-hour format using the D button. We press the A button again, and here we can change actually the display of day and month. Month then day or day then month. C button again. Here we can change the language of the day. C button again, we can change if we want the buttons to be muted or if we want sound. C button again, and we will be able to change the light duration between 1.5 seconds and 3 seconds. We press the C button again and we'll have the receiving signal. So if you are in a zone where radio signal is not really available, then I would advise to go off. That allows you to also save battery life. C button again, here we'll have the power saving feature. This disables the screen of the watch once the watch is not used for some time. We press the C button again and we're back to the home screen. Now if you want to trigger a manual signal receive, all you need to do is to long press the D button. You will see hold and then the RCVD will start blinking. Once received, when you go back to the timekeeping mode, the RCVD above power saving will be there. The C button or mode button allows you to scroll through different modes. From the timekeeping mode, if you press the C button once, it will get you to the world time function. You will be able to set up to 5 separate time zones. To do that, you need to press the A button. This is gonna allow you to change between different time zones to have as your time zone number 1, time zone number 2, and so on. Once done, you need to press the A button once and it's gonna allow you to go back. So here we can see that if I press the D button, it's gonna go to time zone 2, time zone 3, 4, 5, and so on. So you can keep 5 time zones handy whenever you need them. Once we're finished with the world time mode, we need to press the C button again, and here we will have the alarm function. In the alarm function, we have access to 5 different alarms plus the hourly time signal. To set the alarm, you need to long press the A button. You can of course use your B and D button to set it. Once done, you need to press the A button again. A single press of the A button allows you to enable or disable the alarm. To enable or disable the hourly time signal, we press the D button until we see SIG here, and once here, press the A button to enable or the A button again to disable. Once we're done with the alarm function, we press the C button again, and this is gonna get us to the stopwatch. To start, we need to press the D button and the stopwatch starts. When we press the A button, it's gonna record a split. At the same time, the stopwatch is still running, so we need to press the A button again and we'll get back to the time. To stop the count, we need to press the D button again, and to reset, we need to press the A button. Once we're done with the stopwatch, we press the C button again and we'll have the countdown timer. So to set, we need to press the A button. If we press the C button, it's gonna allow us to set the minutes, and the C button again is gonna allow us to set the seconds. Once we're done, a single press of the A button and we're back. And to start the timer, we need to press the D button. To stop it, press D button again, and to reset, A button. When we're done with the timer, we press the mode button again and we are in the timekeeping mode. The B button will allow you to trigger the LEDs by a single press, but if you want to enable automatic mode, you need to long press the B button for around 3 seconds, and that is going to show LT above the seconds. I personally disable that feature because I think it doesn't work well for me. And that's pretty much all the customization and features this watch allows you to have. If this video was helpful or informative, please leave a like and also consider subscribing. If you want to see the video review I made of this watch, please check this video here. Thank you so much for watching.